folks. I don't think I actually did a proper intro. We just got right in and got our tickets, and yeah, got a little bit to cover here. Slides still open. It's back open because it's been closed because there was the NebulaZ construction. Also, stay tuned for a little something cool at the end of this video.
There's pelicans.
Where at?
Pelicans.
Lots of pelicans, yeah. Way out there. And lots of birds. So, yeah. This train ride, first ride is also the intro. Like sometimes I do a last ride conclusion together because I legit forgot to do an intro. Started doing an intro because I thought I saw Nick and his daughter on Zip and Pip, and it turns out it wasn't them, and I was gonna use that as proof to be like, see, I saw you, but it wasn't them. Like, what's up, guys? We're thinking of you. I don't remember the railing on the side there. Huh. When we came in, it looked like the Sea Dragon's still not loading the middle rows. There's like hardly a line either. Not bad. Enjoying your ride?
Yeah.
Cool. Can't wait for the nice little surprise at the end. Get a good look at it too. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, right when we got to the ticket booth, I had just handed the cashier $5 for some tickets. And a girl came up behind us and offered Al, Michelle, and I a handful of tickets for nothing. And that was awesome. Thank you. If you ever watch this, we counted them and there were 47 tickets. So we got a lot. Yeah, it's like $11.75 right there. It's almost $12. So thank you so much. That was very thoughtful of you. Even though I was buying tickets, now we have a lot. Hopefully we'll be back at least once more this year. If not, tickets never expire. There it goes. That unmistakable lift hill. The chain dogs. I don't blame them for not being in the third row. Do you? But the line looked long enough to fill it. Oh, I see something down there, guys. Folks, ladies and gentlemen. The landscaping has changed. Hi. No, that's not. Oh, there were people in those. Okay. All right, here's the surprise. Another train. No, but it's awesome. Here you go. I should do the yo-yo. Ooh. Yo-yo. What do you say? But until then, look at that. There's the new NebulaZ from Zamperla. Never been on one, and I can't wait to ride it. It looks so cool. Get a little up close update when we get off.